I mean, they promoted Drew Wilson to the strength and coordinating director. Were you surprised by that? Because, well, first of all, I was surprised that 23 was better than 24. Because again, you lost Singletary. It just gave you the perception that, you lost Thomas, that a lot of guys were hurt. But do you think that that's something that should have been done, long ago, if you will, the overhaul of the strength and conditioning and some of the medical, the medical people, if you will?